Good afternoon, guys. How's everyone doing on this nice Wednesday morning? So today, guys, welcome to my channel, Ballstore Boys Towers. I hope you're all enjoying the content, and I do try and put as much content out as possible. But as you guys know, I'm pretty busy behind the scenes, working on my second book. I'm working on other projects too, which in a few months time you'll all find out what I'm doing. And yes, it's all positive energy, positive stuff, inspiring stuff. And yeah, so today, guys, I've got my bike out because I've got a few minor repairs to do. Well, not minor repairs, a little bit of tidying up to do, let's just say. I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you where I'm at. So this is my KX250. She's a 2006 and it's a 2-stroke, and it rips your fucking fingers off. It hits the power band beautifully and you've got to hold on, let's put it that way. It hasn't long had an engine rebuild, a full engine rebuild. As you can see, the gaskets there are still green. I've changed many parts on it, most of the parts, to be honest with you, I've changed on it to get it where it is today. So there's just a few little minor bits what I want to do to it, and one of it will be to fix the bracket on the exhaust. So the bottom one's alright because I've recently put that one on, the bottom clamp, but this clamp here is snapped off, so I'm going to need a new clamp for there. I still haven't got the front disc because it's a 2006 bike. I know they do pattern parts on eBay and different garages, but I've ordered quite a lot of discs off of eBay and they've all come to be wrong. So I'm actually looking to get the exact part from Kawasaki, but of course they don't make 2-strokes no more, so they haven't got none. So it's very hard to get this disc. It's got exactly the same diameter or whatever you want to call it, but I think the disc has got a number on it somewhere, and I might have to whip the wheel off and have a look and see if I can find the number and put that onto on the internet. But the exhaust, I've patched it up a little bit. Look, I use that JB Weld, which I bought off of eBay. I haven't tested it yet, but it seems to have gone hard and it seems to have filled the crack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a metal gauze and put a metal gauze around it, and then get that aluminium tape, which I've just bought. It's indoors. I'm going to get that aluminium tape and wrap that around that to give it a bit more support, because the actual exhaust itself looks pretty good compared to a lot of them what you see online, all rusty, cracked and bent. And this has hardly got no knocks on it whatsoever, this exhaust, believe it or not. And it's a pro circuit pipe on it, with a pro circuit back pipe on it. So I've just ordered some spray off of the internet. It's high temperature spray. It's satin black, which I've ordered, and that's to do the covers on the engines, because as you can see it's pretty messed up. The old clutch cover case. So there's a few screws there what need undoing. Don't look too hard. Couple there, one there, one there, and that's going to go in satin black. So once I've done that, guys, I'll upload the video of it. So yeah, that's going in satin black, and the stuff I'm using is called PJ1, which is for high temperature engines. This casing around here looks a little bit crap, and also I'll probably whip the back brake off. Don't need to take the cylinder out or nothing like that. I think I'll just probably undo that bolt there and drop the pedal down and take the casing off. That looks easy enough to take out. Obviously there's going to be some spills of some oil, but look, around this side of the engine you can actually see where the gaskets are still green there too. Look, it's got an hour clock on it, and since I've had this bike I've only done 18 hours on it, and I've had it about a year and a half, maybe coming up 2 years. And the reason for that It's because of, it's a hobby, and with hobbies, they're not something what come and go overnight. I've got this for the rest of my life as a hobby. So to be honest with you, the least I take it out, the better. The more preserved it'd be, and the fresher it'd be, and the less engine rebuilds it'd be. So this year I'd say I've probably been out 5 times, 6 times. But I'm looking to go out again next weekend. I think well, wait for Mill Lane track to open, which my friend owns that track. It's called Lee Tolan, and he's my friend from back in the day off my plot. So I know him really well, and I know his missus too, Tina. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, guys, and I've just put another 1,000 words into my book. That's coming along really well. It's all motivating, it's all inspiring, and you know, a lot of this stuff is free. Obviously not my bike's free, but a lot of these things what I'm doing in life, inspiring people, putting awareness about there, letting people know that you can beat addiction, letting people know that you're not the only one with depression, and there is thousands of other people with mental health conditions what get on with it, and cope and manage and just get on with a day-to-day life. And that's what I seem to do. I've learned how to cope with my illnesses and manage them, and what I need to do to keep them at bay, type of thing. But yeah, Mrs. is up the top there, sitting down on her phone. And I've just got my bike out of the garage, so I'm just sitting here for a minute. I'm actually waiting for a delivery off of from eBay, so it comes from the post. I'm waiting for them to drop my spray off. But yeah, in the meantime, I've got to take these covers off, get them rubbed down, and get them put in a satin black. And even this frame case in here, I know they're good to have because they stop your frame from getting scratched up, but that's going to need painting too. So yeah, I've got quite a few bits to be getting on with. It's got oversized radiators in it, as you can see. They're not normal radiators. When I got it, it had fat bars on it, 28mm fat bars. It had handlebar risers, and it was geared up for a bloke about 6'5", and I'm only 5'7", so I had to drop it down to 22mm, drop the handlebars down, the clamps down to 22mm from 28, and get it to where it is today. But yeah, I've changed many things on it, all the plastics to, oh, there's too much to mention. The brakes, and God, the tank, the seat, front end has been changed. But yeah, I'm very pleased with it. It's doing really well, and it's looking really well, my bike, in it, guys. So that's what I'm doing for the rest of the day, guys. And what I'll do is I'll upload the bike once I've painted it, guys. But whatever you're doing in life, let's turn this fucking camera around. Now the camera likes my bike too much where it won't turn around. That's weird, isn't it? Like, turn around now. Whatever you're doing in life, make sure you're staying nice and positive. If you've got a bad past, if you've got a bad childhood, if you've got trauma coming from your childhood, use that in a positive way today by sharing your stories, because by using your bad experiences in life and putting it on YouTube, this helps thousands of other people out in many different ways, including not following your footsteps and, you know, things like that. So yeah, thanks for all my support. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I can see it growing. Thanks to my current ones that's been there with me from day one. There's too many of you guys to mention, and you guys have become very good loyal friends to me, and I can't thank you guys enough. So I'm not going to dedicate this video to one single person. I'm going to dedicate it to all of my followers. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.